Have the banging sounds from the lost Titanic submarine stopped? Is there any new update regarding the survivors, and has it been found? But before that guys, please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more amazing K-pop news and updates, and also make sure to turn on your notifications as well. The unfortunate news of the lost submarine has taken the internet by storm. Rescue crews searching for the submarine that vanished during a trip to the Titanic wreck heard more underwater banging noises on Wednesday, according to the authorities, who considered they still have no idea what the sounds are. A Canadian P-3 flight crew first picked up the sounds on Tuesday and heard them again Wednesday morning. U.S. Coast Guard spokesman Captain Jamie Frederick said at press conference on Wednesday afternoon. But he and Carl Hartsfield, an expert in subsea acoustics from the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institute, cautioned against reading too much into it. The initial announcement on Tuesday night that potential signs of life had been heard gave rescuers new hope, even as it remains unclear what happened to the submersible or where exactly it is. A subsequent update sent to the group of DHS leaders Tuesday night said that more audible sounds were heard in the sea, though they appear different from the first set of noises, according to CNN. Meanwhile, a white rectangular object was discovered floating in the water by another Canadian aircraft, but Frederick clarified on Wednesday that the item was unrelated to the search. Let's hope that this sub is found as soon as possible and the survivors can return home safely.